Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the account credentials and location services active on the target device. Once you have that, sign in now. For iPhone, open Settings and verify Find My is on. For Android, enable location and Find My device in Google Settings. Make sure the target phone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so its location can update. Once done, keep the account signed in and proceed to the web or companion app to locate the device. Don't skip connectivity checks. Now open the appropriate service. Find My on iPhone or Google's Find My device in your browser. Sign in with the target account and allow location access when prompted. You'll see recent location timestamps and a map pin. Zoom in to assess accuracy. If accuracy is low, request a location update or toggle play sound to force a refresh. You can also enable lost mode or lock the device remotely. These actions both protect data and complete the process by confirming the device's current or last known location and deciding your next step. Approach safely or contact authorities if needed. If the device appears offline, set it to notify you when it goes online and review the last reported coordinates. Make sure you note the timestamp. If tracking fails, recheck the account credentials, ensure location and internet are enabled on the target, and retry signing in. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in to refresh permissions and locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.